I got some JDM goodies for my S15 at the moment. People die for this shit. It's actually a SPEC B Interior. It's not really SPEC B because I just made it just then. So that's what this video is about. It's a DIY how to make a SPEC B Interior for an S15. It cost me around probably $20. That includes the material and also the adhesive. I bought the adhesive from Bunnings, and also I bought the material from Spotlight. So the material is pretty identical to the actual SPEC B Interior. I'll probably just leave a photo somewhere on the screen to show you the differences. But to be fair, no one's gonna notice. It's about the exact same as SPEC B. So we're going from this. All that you're really going to need is basically some tape or anything to mask up the door card. You also need like a really sharp blade, some adhesive spray, and some rubbing alcohol or alcohol just to clean the surface of where you're actually putting the adhesive. And this is a template that I made. As you can see, it's traced around with the inner piece and also just two A3 sheets together, which is pretty much the exact same perfect length of the actual door card itself. But yeah, that's that. And then this is the actual material. It looks black in this fucking thing. Anyway, it's a lot brighter in person. This looks black on camera. I'll try to get a better shot. Yeah, or probably see it. There you go. Anyway, so yeah, that is the color. And you also need some scissors to cut out the obviously material, and that's about it. Okay, so there's usually one screw here, another one down here, which I need to take out, and then there's 3 along the bottom of the actual door card itself. Mine aren't all in because I take my door card off before. There's also one in here which people don't know about. I don't know if you can see it, just right there. And then that allows this to actually, the whole thing to come out. Go to the back of it, pull it towards you, and that's professional of me. So right now we're actually going to cut out material, and then we're going to actually clean the actual door card and start getting that prepped. This step is really easy. This whole process is easy. I don't know why people don't do it in the past. It literally costs $20. That's about it, and I'm surprised no one's done this. So usually you just want to go around it like maybe like 3 or 4 times, like just wiping it down. So after you've actually finished masking up the actual door card, then you can just grab your alcohol yet again and then just wipe it down quickly. Now just let that dry a little bit, and then you can hit it with the actual adhesive. Be quick with it because it takes like maybe 1 or 2 minutes to actually fully set. But yeah, that's about it. And then once you do that, you just place it down and then you rub it in, get to all the edges, and then once you do that, grab your razor, you cut around the actual material, cut around the edging, and then you should be able to just rip off the actual tape around it. Then you can actually start pushing in the material with the little bit that we were using before, and that's about it. It's pretty simple, pretty fast, didn't take that long. Also, make sure that you install both door cards with the same grain going the same direction. I've got the grain going downwards. Yeah, I've got the grain going downwards, so both of those should be going down so they're not different colors. Because if you flip the suede upside down, it's going to be a darker color than the actual bottom of the color that you want. Basically, just lay down your actual material, find out which way it wants to. I'm just double checking just in case I don't want to fuck it up. Make sure you shake the can. It should lay out really smoothly. There shouldn't be really any creases if you lay it out really nicely. Right now, just push in the edges. Now you have like an outline so you can actually cut it out. Actually, after you've laid the material, then you can actually grab your razor or whatever blade that you have, and then just cut around along the edges, making sure you don't hit the actual stock material that's on there already. You can take the stock material off, but if you want to go back to stock door cards, if you wanted to, you can just peel it off and then just take the adhesive off. But yeah, just cut around the edges, and next step after that is taking it off and then tucking it into the edges. So So it's all done now. It looks identical to the actual SPEC B Interior, which I quite like. It matches my blue Recaros, which is perfect. So like as I said, just clean up the edges with that little special tool that I used, and then after that, just reassemble the door card back onto the car. It's pretty self-explanatory as of what I said. Instead of pushing up, push down, and then just put the screws back in, and then yeah. But just one thing for the passenger side door, it does have the handle like chilling right there. On the back there is about 3 Phillips screws on it. And so that will just take off the handle, and then you can just like cut a little cross in it, and then just fold the material in, and then put the handle back on. Self-explanatory, it's pretty easy. And now I'm gonna chuck it back onto the car, and then I'll do some beauty shots of it. Hope you guys liked this video, and please subscribe. I'm 1,366 now, I think, from memory. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.